Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a folded table in Sketchup. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rectangle. We can set the size for the 400 and 800. So then we can push it up. Anyway, we can push it up and then we can make group. So then we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can push it up. Okay, we can push it up. Okay, so and then we can inactive the height rest of model. So when we can draw the line over there, then we can select this node, we can draw the line over there, we can select it, and then we can move it to the upper position of it. Okay, or and then we can make the another large element. We can draw it with the line anyway. Okay, just like this. Okay, this is about the simple folded table. Let's look futuristic and elegant. Anyway, simple but elegant anyway. Okay, this is maybe for a beginner that want to explore about the basic shape to be an iconic 3D model. Okay, I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.